Hello traders and welcome to another video analysis. Today is Tuesday, the 19th of the January 2021. Let's take a look at the Forex calendar and then we'll of course do some technical analysis. So let's swipe down. There you go. Tuesday 19th of the January. What do we have here? We got the CPI data from Germany already released and they were in line with the expectations. So that's kind of a good news for the euro, of course. We still have another data release, producer and input prices from Switzerland. As you can see, they were bigger than expected. So the input prices are growing in the Switzerland. We still have some current account and trade balance data from the Eurozone and Italy. The key data from today during the London session are again from the Germany. 11 a.m. there is a ZEW economic sentiment and the current situation and survey data scheduled for release. And as you can see, we got of course those data from the Germany and then from the whole Eurozone. So it looks like the economic sentiment doesn't really improve here. The forecast is 55.1 while the last reading was 55. So no big difference here. And the current situation, the estimates are a little bit worse than expected because last time it was minus 66.5. Now we are deteriorating slightly towards 68.5. So that's something new for the Germany. Possibly it has something to do with the pandemic of coronavirus in the Germany. So this is the London session. US session, nothing much here. As you can see, we got some data from the Canada wholesale sales and manufacturing shipments, 2:30, and then there's an MPC member on the Haldane speech at 7 o'clock. So it's kind of a late in the New York session. So no big data for today from all of these events. Nothing that could have a really big impact on the markets. Maybe the economic sentiment and current situation from ZEW Institute will bring some volatility on the markets. So what we should take a look on? I think we should take a look at the indices. Basically, we should take a look on the SP 500, Dow Jones, and we should take a look at the US dollar index as well. And then we take a look at the Canadian dollar. So let's just start with the Canadian dollar. I think it's the key one today. The Canadian dollar, as you can see, is trying to bounce higher. It's trying to bounce to above the 1.2782. We have some kind of a double bottom, and it's even the price even bounced kind of from this very sharp line. So we will now move it here, right? Because this is the newest data. Okay, so after this trend line adjustment, we can now clearly see that the market is still trading below this trend line. The key technical resistance 1.2782, that's the immediate, and the other one is 1.2928, 2955. So that's the zone here where this big upper shadow from this candle had been made. So right now I think we should just adjust our data here. We got the local high 1.2798 and just above it there is another local high at the level of 1.2835. So those are the highs, and they need to be violated in order for the US dollar to rally higher, right? So for now the Dow trend is still being continued. Market is capped under this trend lines. Volatility is kind of subdued because it doesn't look like there is a lot of a movement in this week. So far, at least. So we are just waiting for another market reaction on this level 1.2782. If there is not enough, if the bullish reaction is not enough, then of course we will reverse and make another lower low. Let's just take a look at the US dollar index then. If we're talking about the US dollar, there you go. I think it might be even the top for the wave A with that dodgy candlestick here, made around the level of made around the level of, let's say, higher was 90.92. So for today, we are possibly entering the wave B of the overall corrective cycle. We might go as low as 89.90, but the other level for the wave B is 90.42. If we just add some sort of retracement here, and if we assume that this is the top for the wave A, so we can see that wave B can of course stop, there you go, at 61% of the Fibonacci retracement, 89.90, 89.85. So that's almost the same in this matter. So wave B in progress on the US dollar index, S&P 500. Let's take a look at this. S&P 500, as you can see, didn't really rally above 3,827. We just reversed and we are back inside of the channel. Not much volatility, and the immediate support is located at 3,757 points. If we break below this, then the market will test the lower line of the channel around 3,715. So please keep an eye on this technical support as well. So far, it looks like we have reached some sort of a top, maybe long-term top, maybe short-term top. For now, we are trading inside of the channel. So as long as the channel holds, there is still hope and there is still a possibility for another higher high. If the channel will be violated, then of course we go lower, lower and lower. That's the S&P 500. Let's just take a look at the Dow Jones. The situation on the Dow Jones is kind of similar. As you can see, we've been trying for a few days to break above 31,223 points. It didn't really work, and the market made some sort of the shooting star candlestick here, and then we have a confirmation that we are going lower. The immediate technical support at 30,788 had been violated, but the daily candlestick didn't close below this level. If it would close, then of course the situation would be better for the bears. But anyway, we have the first violation of the 30,788. The next target for bulls, for bears, is of course 30,334. If this if these levels here between 30,055 and 30,334 are violated, then of course we are going back inside of the middle of this channel here. Right, so the bulls are still fighting for it. We are back inside of the channel, and then we will be testing possibly this lower channel line as well. So that's the industrial Dow Jones Industrial, and the last one, I think we should take a look, maybe DAX, if there is a DAX. There you go, there is a DAX as well. This Fibonacci is not really important. We got the breakout above this zone here. As you can see, we made another nice high at the level of 14,131. Since then, of course, as you can see, we are trading below this line, so below the short-term trend line, as you can see here. And of course, if we break lower, then we will test 13,604, and then the key technical support is the zone between 30,312 and 30,460. So the recent highs are marked here, and the immediate technical support is being somewhere here at 13,600, somewhere there. So that's everything for me for today. Thank you very much for watching this analysis, and I hope I see you guys tomorrow. Bye bye.